In this video, I'll tell you what to do if you have no sound on your computer. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. First, open Device Manager from the Windows search bar. Expand audio inputs and outputs and check whether you see a yellow warning icon or if no audio devices appear at all. If that's the case, right-click the computer name at the very top of Device Manager and select Scan for hardware changes. Windows will try to detect missing hardware and automatically install the required drivers. If you still see a warning icon, right-click your audio device, select Update Driver, and choose Search Automatically for drivers. If that doesn't solve the problem, visit the Realtek website and download the appropriate audio driver for your motherboard. Depending on your hardware, this may be an ALC892 or ALC898 driver. If you're not sure which one you need, you can try installing one and then the other if necessary. When downloading, make sure to choose the version that matches your operating system. Most modern computers use 64-bit Windows, so that's usually the correct option. After downloading the driver, run the installer, complete the setup, and restart your computer. In many cases, a missing or damaged Realtek driver is all that's preventing your sound from working properly. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.